Hello everyone, welcome to One Stop Academy English. You will practice past simple and past perfect today through interactive practice questions. Ever found yourself unsure about when to use I did versus I had done? Get ready to distinguish between actions completed in the past and actions that occurred before other past events. Ready to level up your English skills? Hit that play button. Grab a pen and paper and let's master past simple and past perfect together. Now, without further ado, let's begin our journey into the past. Is this statement true or false? The use of past perfect can change the meaning of a sentence. It's true. True or false? Question number 2. Past simple tense should be used in all situations. False. True or false? Question number 3. Past perfect tense is better to use when talking about events that happened earlier than another time in the narrative. True. We use past perfect tense when we want to refer to a past event that happened before another event. True or false? True. Question number 5. Past perfect tense is used to emphasize events that happened before certain time expressions, such as already and just. True. Question number 6. When using the time expression already, we use past perfect tense. True. Question number 7. When using the time expression just, we use past perfect tense. True. Question number 8. Past simple tense is preferred when there are time expressions such as when, before, and by the time. False. Past perfect tense is preferred when there are time expressions such as when, before, and by the time. Question number 9. Past perfect tense is used when the time relationship between two past events is not important. False. Past perfect tense is used when the time relationship between two past events is important. Thank you for listening. I hope it was helpful. If you want to learn more about past simple and past perfect tense, please watch a video. I will share the link in the description and don't forget to leave the feedback in the comment section. Bye.